Hey guys, today I'm working on my 1972 Peugeot 204 that is making those noises from the rear suspension. I actually replaced the shock and the mount 2 years ago, but before I restored the body, a lot of water penetrated to the rear shelf and I guess it ruined it. First of all, I loosened the nuts holding the strut to the rear shelf, just enough so it would be loose. I used this cool elevator to bring this old Peugeot a little bit closer to its creator. Some pum-pum to remove the wheel. Just one bolt that holds the shock to the suspension arm. I removed the upper nuts all the way while I'm holding the strut with my other hand. Now I want to show you how the new KYB shock looks much more thicker than the one I just removed. To be honest, on these thick-hulled springs, it's a little bit hard to insert the spring compressor, but I aligned them one on each side and started pum-pum. Now the shock is spinning freely, so I removed the central nut with an offset wrench and an open one as a counter. Remove the parts, the upper cup, the mount and the boot. I always treat this compressed coil as a loaded weapon, very carefully. Well, we can see now what happened to the old rubber mount. Those are oil shocks, so no need to compress them, just decompress it all the way so we can put everything back in reverse order. I aligned the spring, mount and shock just like they should be. And back to the old lady. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos of the restoration. I got one on the front end, suspension, CV joint and steering on the way. Now I don't tighten the bolt all the way, I want to use the elevator again and apply weight on the suspension using a jack stand. Now I can tighten everything to specs. Did you know that the upper nut's tightening torque is only 7 foot-pound? Put the wheel back on. And yes, you guessed right. My Milwaukee is out of battery. That's fine, the specs for the wheel nuts are only 40 foot-pounds. Now back on the ground, what do you think? I fixed the problem? I guess so.